Hello guys. Akwaba, Karev, Ni Hao, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Huyamor. And anyway, we have an LCD screen, LG screen. Anyway, it's not working. It's got what some backlight issues, meaning the screen does receive data, but there is no light, there is no backlight on the screen. I believe the screen is not broken. Let me check, let me observe. Yes, the screen is not broken. Even if it was broken, you will have a backlight and then you'll see that the screen is broken. But this one is fine, seems fine. But one thing, there is no backlight on this screen. Anyway, let's go ahead, let's see what we have. So what you do, this is how you repair the screen. But before I even go there, let me write it down for you. Let me show you how the screen works. All right, so we have something like this. All right. Okay, let's say this is your motherboard. This is your motherboard mob. Okay, on your motherboard there is a cable in between. It's called LVDS cable. It's connect to a screen. Let's say this is your screen. This is your screen, LCD. Okay, so here in between there will be a circuit board. So this circuit board, remember the 19 volts is coming from the motherboard, from the mob. It goes where? On the screen. The screen have some lights, some backlights to shine so that you'll see the data and see everything on the screen. So normally they put a fuse here in between. There would be a fuse. Okay, the fuse will be here in between, but not within the cable, but within the circuit, within the tiny circuit there on the screen. There will be a fuse, and again there are some capacitors there, ceramic capacitors. All right, if one of them is shorted over, there will be a short. And again, this whole thing, the circuit board, this is the circuit LCD circuit. LCD circuit is take the 19 volts and then convert it into what? Into a higher voltage, maybe 90 volts, maybe to 150 volts, depending on the type and the screen. Okay, and depending on you as well, because you are capable of adjusting these voltages. Remember, when you say bright up, means it sends more voltages on the backlights, but when you put down the bright, meaning less voltage on the backlight. I'm not sure if it does make any sense. Anyway, let's continue, guys. I know sometimes I spoil you too much. I give you so much information that you end up being spoiled. Let's continue. Let's see. Okay, we have to be very careful there. Very careful. Turn your multimeter into a continuity mode. You put one probe to ground. In my case, I liked, oh, okay. Here, guys, here, I think, okay, I think I've seen the problem here. Okay, I think the problem here was just the cable. You see this cable, it wasn't plugged in proper, but let's check for shorts before. Okay, no shorts. You can see a coil there. It means this is where the volts is pushed, the sparks are pushed there with a higher voltage. No short. Now let's check the fuse. Aye boo. The fuse is broken. Hi, boo. Can you believe this? The fuse is broken, but there's no short. This is maybe my multimeter what? But the fuse is broken. Okay, the fuse is broken. It's easy anyway. Don't stress yourself. It's easy. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Everything is gonna be fine. Right. All right, guys. I have here. You will need a foil. So you cut this foil. Put it aside. Why you need a foil? It's easy. Because you don't want to damage the string, right? So you have to put the foil underneath. So you pull this guy up and you insert what? You insert a coil. Because if there's no coil, I mean, if there's no foil, you will bend the string, and it's gonna be pointless to replace a fuse, whereas the string is already bent. Yeah. Again, you can put more because you don't wanna take any chances. You wanna be sure, 100% sure, or otherwise will damage the entire thing. Wanna make sure that this 300 and something degree doesn't reach the string. Right, put under the microscope. Okay, I think I will have to reverse, flip this around. The foil. Oh, there. This is a bad guy. LED voltage LED. So what we need, we need a heat and flaxy. Okay, let's put flaxy. Then we apply the heat. Brother, do it. Hi, Boots was recording. I didn't pause. Alright, guys. Now, what we need, what do you call this? We have to remove a donor board. We have to remove the fuse from the donor board. So here we won't be able to find the fuse, but listen to this party. We'll use a resistor, a 0 ohm resistor. Okay, I saw one here. That's why I even took this donor board, because there was a 0 ohm resistor, and that 0 ohm resistor will be able to act as a fuse in case there's a short. It's gonna blow up, so we have to replace. Okay, guys. Anyway, I can't find this 0 ohm. Okay, there it is. No way. I don't think that was the one. It was big. This resistor was big enough to fit there, but now I can't find it. Where is it? Okay, let's check here underneath. Oh, there, I got it. Let's remove this guy. All right, I'm done. So now we push this, take this aside, be careful, and then let's put this, take the microscope. Okay, so this plastic needs to come underneath. And then you put flags in. All right, so here, listen to this funny party. We replaced a fuse with a 0 ohm resistor, and the machine will work 100%. And in case there's a short, this 0 ohm resistor will blow up and be able to protect the motherboard or protect the screen, either way, depending on where the short is coming from. Yeah, I'm done, but let me show you before you start complaining. I'm gonna show you now, guys. Let's go ahead. Okay, let's see the moment of truth. Okay, hold on, I need to connect the charger. Let's make sure that the screen is connected. Let's connect the charger. It's turning on. Ta-da! We have a light, a backlight. Hope you can see. Now I'm waiting for data, but it's fine, 100% working. Hope you can see. I think the BIOS is corrupted or something. Or otherwise, let's change the RAM. It might be the RAM causing this. Okay, it's off. Let me press the power button again. It's on. Here we are, but not data. Okay, the problem here, it's not the screen anymore. The screen is fine. You know why I'm saying this is because when I check this machine, I use the smaller screen to test if the problem was the backlight or from the motherboard or from the screen. And even on that screen was doing the same thing. But this screen was missing what? A backlight. There was no backlight on the screen at all. I was using a smaller screen just to check. I mean, just to test. That's all. So here, we'll have to fix this problem, but it's not gonna be today. We have some other things to do. It's gonna be now, but not on the video. Okay, let me try anyway. Let me try. Maybe I might help someone. How to remove this? Okay, guys, I have to remove the battery first. I'll try to pull the battery, brother. Let's try to remove the battery first. Okay, there's one screw. Underneath, I will need a screwdriver. Anyway, let me just make it simple. I'm gonna do another video now. Yeah, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.